Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. I pray for you. Have a nice day, children. Already we finished half of the portion from Panchayat lesson. Children, did you remember? Now we will continue the same lesson. But before that, I want to recall the lesson. What is Panchayat? Village Panchayat is the root of Panchayat system. It provides the basic facilities to the village people. Are you remember that? Yes. And they have a 3-tier system, that is village level, block level and district level. Okay. The term Gram Swaraj was first introduced by Mahatma Gandhi ji. Who? Mahatma Gandhi ji only introduced the Gram Swaraj. He was father of nation. Okay, children. Now we will see what are the duties of Panchayat Raj. Inian and his dad converse continuously. We will see again, children. Yes. Inian asked his dad, what are the duties of these members? Dad said, their duty is to provide basic needs of the villages. The obligatory functions of the Panchayat are first one is providing electricity and maintaining the street lights. Second one is drilling and maintaining of village wells. Third one is providing drinking water. Fourth one is constructing of roads and maintaining them. The fifth one is setting up sewage channels. Sixth is constructing small bridges. Seventh is repairing primary school buildings. Eighth is providing sanitation facilities. These all are the obligatory functions in Panchayat. Okay. Inian again he asked, they are doing so many works, but to do the works they need a lot of money. What will they do for the money? Dad said, our central and state government provide money to the Panchayat. Who will give? Our central and state government provide money to the Panchayat. அதாவது சென்ட்ரல் கவர்மெண்ட் ஸ்டேட் கவர்மெண்ட் இது ரெண்டும் நமக்கு அந்த பஞ்சாயத்துக்கு பணம் கொடுத்துருவாங்க. We pay taxes to Panchayat. We also pay the taxes. வரி கட்டுறோம் to the Panchayat. Panchayat use this money for the development of the village. Are you understand, children? See how they are collecting. Collecting taxes an obligatory function of Panchayat. They do some discretionary functions too, such as discretionary function. We will see what are they. One is planting trees in either sides of the roads. ரெண்டு பக்கமும் மரம் நடுறது. The second one is setting up and maintenance of public markets. Third is setting up of gardens. Fourth is establish passenger lodging. Fifth one is setting up and maintenance of playgrounds. Sixth one is constructing library. Seventh one is establishing centers for informal and adult education. Eighth is organizing festivals in the village. The last one, ninth, is maintaining the cleanliness of the village. These all are discretionary function. First one is obligatory functions provided from Panchayat Raj. After that, they collect money from central government and state government to provide money to Panchayat. Then they will do some discretionary functions. These all are discretionary functions. Children, they ask some question. Is there is a library in your village? Now we all are in city. We have many libraries. Even we have a library in our school also. Isn't it? Yes. Is there any park in your street? You have. Okay. Then is there any playground in your near the house? Yes, I know. Everywhere playgrounds, park, everything is there. So these all are government only provide. Okay. Now see this picture, household taxes. Here taxes are given. Household tax, tax for drinking water, okay, drinking water, then professional tax, property tax. These all are tax. They are collecting tax from people. After that, they all do these functions. What are the facilities we need? Okay, children, are you understand? Now I have some pictures. I want to show this one. You please watch now. This is Gram Panchayat office. They all are Panchayat members. Panchayat members are discussing about their plannings. This is School of Panchayat. This is General Hospital of Panchayat. They provide drinking water facility, providing electricity and maintaining the street lights. These are the duties of Panchayat. Now we will continue the lesson. An admiring village. 850 houses were built at free of cost for the people of Odanturai Panchayat in Coimbatore. There, Panchayat attained the level of self-sufficiency to provide basic facilities. This village got the following awards. They got awards also. One is Nirmal Purashkar Award. The second one is Bharat Ratna Rajiv Gandhi Environment Award. These are the awards. Who got this one? In Coimbatore Panchayat only got these two awards. Okay, children. Then Indian again he asked question. Dad, will you go to the Gram Sabha meeting which will be held tomorrow? Dad said, sure, I will go. It is important to participate in the Gram Sabha meeting to discuss the village developmental plans and to take remedial measures. They will discuss in Gram Sabha meeting. Children, Gram Sabha is the root of the democracy. It is very important. Every Gram Sabha in village, is very important. Here, Gram Sabha meeting must be held at least 4 times year. Meeting must be conducted on following dates: 26th January, 1st May, 15th August, 2nd October. 26th January is what? Republic Day. Yes. 1st May is Labor Day. உழைப்பாளர் தினம். 15th August, Independence Day. சுதந்திர தினம். 2nd October is Gandhi Jayanti. Okay? Yes. Now, next we are going to duties of Gram Sabha. Planning and executing village developmental programs. The first one is planning and executing village developmental programs. The second one is verifying income and expenditure of village funds. The third one is planning to rectify the grievances of the people. So these all are the duties of Gram Sabha. Town Panchayat. Town Panchayat as same as village Panchayat. We all are in city, town and village. So Town Panchayat as same as village Panchayat. Here the population ranges between 5,000 to 30,000. In cities lakhs, but in town population range will be between 5,000 to 30,000. The members of the town panchayat are elected in the same way as village panchayat. எப்படி வில்லேஜ் பஞ்சாயத்தில் செலக்ட் பண்ணாங்களோ, எலெக்ஷன் நடத்துனாங்களோ, அதே மாதிரி டவுன் பஞ்சாயத்துலேயும் எலெக்ஷன் வைப்பாங்க. தேர் ஆல்சோ tenure is 5 years. அங்கேயும் 5 வருஷம். Are you understand, children? They fulfill the basic requirements of the people of the town. They fulfill the basic requirements of the people of the town. Now, recap the lesson. Village Panchayat provides the basic facilities for the village people. The next thing is what we learnt. Panchayat Raj is the 3-tier system. Read well, children. Okay. The next one is collecting tax is a compulsory duty of Panchayat. The fourth one is Gram Sabha meeting must be held at least 4 times a year. The fifth one is the members of the town panchayats are elected in the same way as village panchayat. Now we will go for a evaluation. Okay, children? Look at the book, children. Evaluation. First one is choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Panchayat is a dash level government. Panchayat is a dash level government. A is district, B is state, C is village. Which one comes here? Yes, village. Very good. Panchayat is a village level government. The second one is dash introduce the word Gram Swaraj. Dash introduce the word Gram Swaraj. Just now I taught you, children. Who? Mahatma Gandhi. Yes, very good. Here given Kamarajar, Mahatma Gandhi and Nehruji. But Mahatma Gandhi introduced the word Gram Swaraj. Yes. The third one is the lower level of the three-tier system is dash panchayat. A is district, B is block level, C is village. Which one comes here? Yes, village level. It's a village level. That is lower level, isn't it? Yes. Fourth one is who elect the vice president of the panchayat. Who elects the vice president of panchayat? Who? Here people, ward member, district collector. Who will elect? People. Yes, always people only. We saw Kudavolai system also, that is a old tradition way, no? Election. Yes, people only elect the vice president and president. Fifth one is the tenure of the members of the panchayat is dash. Tenure. How many years? 15, 10 or 5 years? 5 years. Yes, 5 years once they will elect the president. Okay. Yes. Now we will go for a match the following. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One is Kudavolai. Second one is Gram Panchayat. Third one is planting trees. Fourth one is street lights. Fifth one is Gram Sabha. Now we have to find out. Here this column in this right side, development of plan, obligatory function, old system of election, discretionary function, people above 500. So we have to match. First one is Kudavolai. What is that? Old system of election. Yes, very good. Put one number. Old system of election. Yes. Then Gram Panchayat. Gram Panchayat. Yes. People above 500. Yes. People above 500. Number 2. That is 2. Planting trees. Planting tree is discretionary function. Just now we taught no discretionary function. Yes, that is 3. Did you mark that? Yes. Now fourth one. Street lights. Street lights is obligatory function. Obligatory function. You put fourth one. Yes. Good, good, very good. The fifth one is Gram Sabha. Gram Sabha is the development of plan. Yes, that is fifth one. 5. Put 5. Now are you understand, children? Everything? Yes. Do in your term book. Those who are have your book. Okay? Yes. Now we will go answer the following. I give you the notes. You please take down the notes. Okay, children? Children, listen, answer the following. You please copy in your classwork. Okay, children? What is village panchayat? Village panchayat is the root of panchayat system. It provides the basic facilities to the village people. Panchayat have been set up in every village with 500 people and above. Are you understand, children? The next question is, illustrate the three-tier system. Illustrate the three-tier system. Panchayat Raj In the three-tier system, they are: one is district level, district panchayat, that is Jilla Parishad. Second one, block level, Panchayat Union, Mandal Parishad. Third is village level, village panchayat, that is Gram Parishad. Now, to understand, children, this is second question. The third one is write any three obligatory functions of the panchayat. One is providing electricity and maintaining the street lights. Second one, providing drinking water. Third is setting up sewage channels. Setting up sewage channels. Fourth is constructing small bridges. This is third answer. You please copy down. The fourth question is write any three discretionary functions of village panchayat. Answer is planting trees in either sides of road. Second, setting up and maintenance of public markets and playground. Third is constructing library. Constructing library. Okay, children? Fifth question is, when is Gram Sabha meeting held? Panchayat Raj is the three-tier system. Gram Sabha meeting must be held at least 4 times a year. Are you understand, children? These are the question answers. You please copy down your notebook. After that, write, choose the correct answer from your book. Match the following also. Now you understand, children? Yes. Children, we finished the lesson fully. So you please read at home and copy all the notes. Then today's assignment is choose the correct answer, match the following and answer the following. Answers are big one, read well, then you write. Send your assignment before Sunday. Thank you, children. Bye.